Greetings, Falcons! I'm Aaron Sunday, an instructional designer in the Division of Online Studies. This video is the instructional follow-up to the Best Practices homepage template informational video. We will begin with the zip file that you can import into your Falcon Online course shell. The file contains the following items from the course template: content, discussions, assignments, announcements, question library, quizzes, course appearance, and survey. You can download the zip file from the Falcon Online for Faculty Info Guide. There is a homepage tab with a link for them, and you can find the download to the link for the file under Resources in our blog post on this initiative. After you have downloaded the zip folder, go to your course shell and then to the course admin area. Select the Import, Export, Copy Components tool, and then you will want to import components from a file. I selected the upload option and was taken to my downloads, where I will take this and bring this into the course, import all components. And after this process is complete, you can view the content files. Now that you have the content structure and other tools, you're ready to copy the Best Practices homepage template. Go to Homepages and Course Admin, and you'll see Best Practices Homepage Template version 1. Use the drop-down and copy. You need to copy the homepage so you can edit it. Otherwise, you would not be able to edit the Virtual Office Hours widget or add or remove items from this homepage. Next, we'll go to the Widgets tab because we need to make a copy of the Virtual Office Hours widget. From the Custom Widgets tab, scroll down to the Virtual Office Hours and make a copy. Now you can edit the widget. I recommend changing the title of the widget so it is specific to your course. There are brief instructions to update the links in the widget in the description field. Notice there are two options for a virtual meeting link. If you choose to use both options, you need to update both URLs. Otherwise, you can choose a single method and update one URL. From the Content tab, find the URL, select the Quick Link option, and if you have the meeting link, so if you created an Outlook previously, you can paste it right in here. Otherwise, you can choose to create a Microsoft Teams meeting from this area. You might be prompted to sign in. Next, create a meeting link. Select your date and time. I'm just going to use this current time. And before inserting this, I recommend going into the meeting options and setting these up, because you want to create an option where students cannot bypass the lobby, so only you. This basically leaves your virtual office hours unattended if you don't select that. So next, insert, and now this is current. If you choose to use the Step Into My Office button, you'll need to edit this from the source code. So you would have to go into the source editor here, and you will see the URL right here under href http. This is the current one for DaytonaState.edu. You would replace the URL, so you can do it from here also, if you did it like this. And we would just paste that Teams meeting URL right here. So now the Virtual Office Hours link and the Step Into My Office button have the same URL. If you choose not to use this, you can just backspace over this and delete it entirely. Next, save and close. And if you'd like to preview, do that from here. And there we are. You see it's without the button, however, it just has this. You can find the link to Bill Harrison's blog on how to create a Teams meeting in Falcon Online under the resources for this blog. Now we need to add your new Virtual Office Hours widget to the new homepage. So if you go back to Homepages, click on your copy, and you can rename this as well. So if I didn't want this copy here, I can put a date that was created. And you'll see the previous Virtual Office Hours. You'll want to remove this, select Add Widgets, Virtual Office Hours, Practice Course, add this one. and you can replace it. Just drag it right back up here. The new virtual office hours is in place. Save and close. Now we want to make this one active. So you would choose this one, date created, apply this. The home page is now active. So the virtual office hours link and widget are current. Now you have some of the features on your course shell to help you make your course exemplary. I hope you and your students benefit from the features in this template. If you have any questions, please contact the Faculty Innovation Center at 386-506-3485 or at fic@datonastate.edu.